I'm Ryan, the product manager and CPSD from BabyTrend. And today, I'll be showing you how to install the Cover Me in rear-facing mode using LATCH. First, make sure the harness height is at or below your baby's shoulders. Locate the latch connectors in their storage position and unclip them. Make sure the latch webbing is threaded through the rear-facing belt path. Refer to your vehicle's manual to locate the proper latch position and latch anchors. This is where you'll be installing your car seat. Now, place the car seat in the determined position in your vehicle. Locate the flip foot under the car seat. Press the blue release handle while rotating the flip foot out, making sure it has locked into place. Recline the car seat into one of the rear-facing positions by squeezing the recline handle while adjusting the car seat. Now, you'll make sure your car seat is leveled. Leveling the car seat correctly will keep your baby's head back and airway open. Check the bubble indicator to make sure the car seat is leveled. You can use the recline mechanism to recline the car seat further to assist with leveling. For more recline, you can use a solid pool noodle or a towel under the car seat base to assist with leveling. I like to lift the car seat fabric to get better access to the belt path during installation. You can now loosen the latch webbing in order to facilitate the installation. Depending on your model, you may have a quick release connector or J-hook. Clip both latch connectors onto your vehicle's latch anchors. If you have quick release connectors, make sure that the indicator window turns green. Confirm they are firmly attached by pulling outward on the connectors. I like to thread the loose webbing through the belt path to make sure that it gets a proper angle for tightening. Proper installation using latch requires that the latch webbing be very tight. So now, you'll press hard on the car seat while pulling towards the car seat on the webbing ends. To make sure that the car seat is tight, grasp the belt path and move it side to side and front to back. If it moves less than an inch where the latch webbing meets the car seat, then you have a good installation. Once you have secured your baby, check the bubble indicator again to confirm that the angle is still appropriate. And now, you're ready to go. Feel free to check out more of our how-to and installation videos provided with you in mind.